altcoin season is about to begin.
For the first time this cycle, while Bitcoin is going down,
Confirmed. Analysts predict the next altcoin season will begin sooner than expected. On-chain data, Bitcoin dominance trends, and historical market cycles all point to a major shift. This could be the moment small-cap altcoins surge, potentially delivering massive gains for early investors ready to act in 2025. Why this altcoin season prediction matters. The prediction of altcoin season carries weight because it influences how traders, investors, and institutions prepare for market shifts. During altcoin season, capital flows away from Bitcoin into alternative cryptocurrencies, causing rapid price appreciation across multiple sectors like DeFi, NFTs, AI tokens, and Web3 projects. Understanding why analysts believe a new cycle is approaching is crucial, as timing can mean the difference between exponential returns and missed opportunities. In 2025, the crypto market is experiencing rising institutional interest, fresh regulatory clarity, and improved blockchain infrastructure. These conditions create an environment where altcoins can outperform. Investors who prepare now position themselves to benefit not just from short-term pumps, but also from long-term innovation within blockchain ecosystems. That's why this forecast isn't just hype. It could reshape how money flows across the entire digital asset landscape. What is altcoin season? Explained for beginners. Altcoin season is a phase in the cryptocurrency market where alternative coins outperform Bitcoin in terms of growth. Bitcoin usually leads the market with its dominance, but at certain times, smaller coins experience explosive gains. This happens when traders rotate profits from Bitcoin into altcoins, creating waves of rising demand. For beginners, think of altcoin season as a time when projects beyond Bitcoin, such as Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, and smaller cap tokens, capture attention and liquidity. It's important to note that altcoin season doesn't last indefinitely. These cycles are usually shorter but highly profitable. Understanding this concept is essential for newcomers, as it provides clarity on why coins with lower market capitalization can rise far more sharply than Bitcoin. In 2025, with advanced use cases like Layer 2 scaling, DeFi protocols, and cross-chain networks, altcoin season has even more significance. Historical patterns, previous altcoin seasons. Looking back at previous altcoin seasons, we see clear patterns that help analysts predict the next one. In 2017, after Bitcoin reached all-time highs, altcoins like XRP, Litecoin, and Ethereum experienced enormous rallies. Again in 2021, Bitcoin's dominance dropped below 50%, sparking a flood of growth across tokens tied to DeFi and NFTs. These historical examples show that altcoin seasons often follow a period where Bitcoin consolidates after a major surge. Traders seek higher returns and shift into alternative coins, driving rapid expansions. Importantly, not all altcoins rise equally. Strong fundamentals and community support often separate winners from failures. Observing how capital rotated in the past offers valuable insight for predicting the future. In 2025, similar market conditions are forming, with new infrastructure, fresh liquidity, and institutional adoption, creating the right setup for another powerful altcoin-driven rally. Key metrics to identify altcoin season. Analysts use key metrics to confirm when altcoin season begins. The most important indicator is Bitcoin dominance, the percentage of total crypto market capitalization held by Bitcoin. When dominance falls below 50%, it often signals money moving into altcoins. Another key factor is total market capitalization, especially when altcoins collectively grow faster than Bitcoin. Metrics like the Altcoin Season Index also provide statistical confirmation, comparing how many altcoins outperform Bitcoin within a specific period. Additionally, trading volumes, liquidity growth, and funding rates offer clues about investor sentiment. Watching stablecoin inflows to decentralized exchanges can also highlight early rotations into smaller projects. In 2025, with new analytics tools and better transparency on-chain, investors can track these signals in real time. By observing these measurable shifts, one can identify whether altcoin season has truly started or is still building momentum. where Bitcoin and altcoins stand in 2025. In 2025, the cryptocurrency market is entering a transformative phase. Bitcoin remains the dominant asset, but its growth has slowed compared to earlier cycles. Altcoins, however, are gaining traction as real-world use cases mature. Ethereum continues to lead in smart contracts, while Layer 2 networks like Arbitrum and ZK rollups deliver faster, cheaper transactions. AI-linked tokens and decentralized finance protocols are attracting investor interest, driven by innovation and new adoption. Regulatory developments in the United States and Europe have also introduced more clarity, which increases confidence in altcoin projects. At the same time, institutional money is diversifying beyond Bitcoin into multi-chain ecosystems. With liquidity spreading out and new technology scaling rapidly, the stage is set for altcoins to outperform. This environment shows that 2025 could be the year where altcoins dominate headlines and capture greater market share. On-chain data and signals indicating the start of altcoin season. On-chain data provides strong evidence when altcoin season is about to begin. Analysts look for rising transaction volumes, increased wallet activity, and growing numbers of unique addresses across multiple altcoins. Spikes in stablecoin inflows toward decentralized exchanges are also early signs of capital rotation. When long-term Bitcoin holders reduce selling pressure, while altcoins gain liquidity, it often means investors are diversifying portfolios. Another signal is the movement of dormant coins. If long-term altcoin wallets reactivate, it suggests confidence in an upcoming rally. In 2025, blockchain explorers and analytics platforms give even deeper insights into token flows, staking trends, and liquidity pool growth. Combining these indicators with market psychology offers a strong basis to forecast the turning point. When multiple signals align, it strengthens the case that altcoin season is not only near, but potentially already unfolding. Role of DeFi, Web3, and Layer 2 projects in altcoin growth. The expansion of DeFi, Web3, and Layer 2 solutions is central to altcoin performance in 2025. Decentralized finance introduces lending, staking, and yield opportunities, creating demand for governance and utility tokens. Web3 projects push digital ownership into new areas such as gaming, digital identity, and decentralized social platforms, giving altcoins tangible value. Meanwhile, Layer 2 innovations like rollups and sidechains deliver scalability, faster transaction speeds, and lower costs, making decentralized applications practical for mass adoption. As traditional finance experiments with tokenized assets, DeFi protocols bridge the gap, pulling liquidity into blockchain systems. Layer 2 networks further strengthen Ethereum's dominance while supporting new altcoins tailored for specific functions. Collectively, these sectors accelerate investor confidence, ensuring that growth extends beyond speculation into real-world utility. This synergy makes DeFi, Web3, and Layer 2 the backbone of the upcoming altcoin surge. Trending small-cap altcoins to watch. While large-cap tokens dominate headlines, small-cap altcoins often deliver the highest gains during altcoin season. In 2025, analysts highlight projects linked to AI integration, cross-chain communication, and decentralized storage as rising stars. Tokens enabling privacy-focused solutions and data marketplaces are also gaining traction due to increased demand for digital sovereignty. Unlike major coins, small caps are volatile, but provide unique upside if they secure strong community support and early partnerships. Venture capital backing is another indicator of potential, as investors frequently spot undervalued gems before they reach mainstream attention. Examples include tokens powering decentralized AI tools, metaverse utilities, and scalable infrastructure solutions. Traders must carefully evaluate fundamentals, as many small caps fade after temporary hype, risks, and volatility factors during altcoin season. While altcoin season offers massive opportunities, it also carries significant risks. The most obvious factor is volatility. Prices can soar quickly, but drop just as fast, wiping out gains overnight. Many projects lack strong fundamentals, leaving investors vulnerable to rug pulls, exit scams, or failed development roadmaps. Regulatory announcements can also trigger sudden market downturns, particularly in regions where compliance frameworks remain unclear. Liquidity risks exist too, as smaller coins may not have enough trading volume to support large buy or sell orders. Market psychology plays a role, with fear and greed cycles amplifying volatility. Hack incidents, smart contract bugs, and exchange vulnerabilities add further danger. In 2025, the sheer number of new altcoins amplifies risk, making thorough research essential. What viewers should watch next? As altcoin season builds momentum, viewers should track several important developments. Monitoring Bitcoin dominance is key, as further declines often signal capital rotation into altcoins. Watch on-chain activity, especially wallet growth, trading volume, and stablecoin inflows across decentralized exchanges. Keeping an eye on regulatory announcements is equally critical, since new rules could alter liquidity and adoption patterns. Viewers should also observe upcoming protocol upgrades, token launches, and partnerships that strengthen specific ecosystems. Following analyst reports and institutional moves provides further insight into where big money is flowing. Finally, keeping updated on Layer 2 scaling, AI crypto integrations, and Web3 innovations ensures staying ahead of narrative-driven surges. By staying informed and watching these evolving signals, viewers can prepare not just for this altcoin season, but also for long-term opportunities shaping the broader digital economy. Altcoin season is approaching, and the signals are clear. Which altcoins do you think will lead the surge? Keep tracking the data, stay informed, and share your predictions in the comments. Your insights could help others navigate the upcoming market shift. Thanks for watching. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Cryptocurrency markets are volatile. Always do your own research and consult with a licensed advisor before investing.